People make boatloads of money drop shipping, and I'm going to give you 3 huge tips that if you're doing it, even though you're not supposed to on Amazon, these are 3 tips that you got to hear. Okay, Amazon sellers, those experienced sellers, those sellers who are just starting out and you're saying, man, I'm going to get into drop shipping. I will see the order at one price. I'll buy it for less, send it there, and I will make some money on every single purchase with limited risk. I want to talk to you about 3 things you need to know about drop shipping on Amazon. Number 1, the products are not supposed to arrive at Amazon's consumer's doorstep with Home Depot, Best Buy, Walmart, or any other company's packaging. It is bad branding for Amazon. And when an Amazon consumer reaches out to Amazon, it's like, hey, what the heck? My product has a Walmart all over it. Amazon will suspend your account because you're doing drop shipping outside of the terms of Amazon. Number 2, big problem when you're only drop shipping is that Amazon will, from time to time, ask you to provide invoices that show where you sourced your products from. A wholesaler, the brand directly, someplace. And if you are drop shipping, guess what? You got no invoices. You don't have any invoices to submit. So solely doing drop shipping, I think you can still make a boatload of money, but it has a lot of risk. And there's another question out there. Is drop shipping legal? There's nothing illegal about it, and the United States system, and again, we use the law. We use the law to help Amazon sellers. If something is not illegal, that means it's legal. So answer the question, is Amazon dropshipping legal? Yes. Okay, there's no Amazon police, at least not yet. Number 3, if you are dropshipping and your products arrive on the doorstep and it says Walmart on it or Home Depot or Best Buy or whatever, okay, and you get suspended, how do you get your account back? Well, one of the most winning arguments to get drop shippers back in the game is to draft a new business model for you and persuade Amazon staff in India, who I personally met in Hyderabad, India, to persuade these young people that you have only gone into drop shipping to learn the platform, to learn how to sell, but now you are going to be a traditional retailer or you're developing your own brand, and we write a brand new business model for you to submit to Amazon within your plan of action. Plans of action are the keys to reinstatement, and this is the greatest book in the world on how to avoid getting suspended and how to get your accounts and listings back by writing killer plans of action on Amazon.